Hello everybody, my name is Fabiani Triches and I will present my poster titled Comparing the Performance of Two Softwares in the Molecular Redocking of 10 Ligands to the Dopamine Transporter of Drosophila melanogaster. My coordinator is Cilene de Oliveira and we are from Federal University of Santa Catarina, Brazil. So, Drosophila has been gaining traction in recent years as animal model in antidepressants research, and we know that antidepressants affect the behaviors of flies, but the molecular mechanism underlying these actions, which in flies may be similar or different to vertebrates, remain elusive. Because of this, the means of this work is to validate a method to study the molecular interactions between antidepressants and the dopamine transporter in flies. To do this, we shared structures of the dopamine transporter complex with ligands in PDB to do the redocking. The redocking process occurs in software Autodock and Gold. The first steps occurs only in Autodock, and it was downloaded the ligands and converted it to molecule using Software Discovery Studio. In Gold, this step isn't necessary because the program does this itself. The second step was necessary for both programs, and it was obtaining the coordinates X, Y, and Z of ligands using Discovery Studio. So, I did the redocking in Autodock and Gold. If you are interested, these are the process specifications for both programs. After this, I calculated the RMST using as a reference the original ligands. In Autodock, I used the program Discovery Studio to do this calculation, but in Gold, the RMSD was done inside the software. The fifth and last step was analyze the results generated in both programs using Discovery Studio. My result shows that using Gold, every redocking has RMSD less than 2 angstroms, but using Autodock, the redocking with L-norepinephrine, nixocetin, and D-amphetamine has RMST higher than 2 angstroms. Another result is that except for reboxetine and 3,4-dichloropheniramine, Gold provided smaller values of RMST than Autodock. In this image, we can see the asterisk represent the common amino acids that happen between dopamine transporter and ligands. But the redocking that 3,4-dichloropheniramine using Autodock has the only redocking that didn't follow the same amino acids common to others. If you want to know more, you can pause this video and use this QR code to see how the 2D diagrams of the redocking both softwares. To conclude, the data indicates that Gold had better performance than Autodock in redocking the ligands complex to the dopamine transporter. These are the references used in this project. Thank you to the Congress for providing this incredible opportunity, and I'm open to receive any questions and suggestions to improve my work. Thank you, everybody.